Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Northfield Bank app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Northfield Bank is a mobile banking app designed to help users manage their personal and business accounts conveniently. The app offers features such as mobile check deposits, real-time transaction monitoring, bill payments, and fund transfers. It also supports customizable alerts, secure login options like fingerprint and Face ID, and easy access to customer support. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app's intuitive interface, quick navigation, and the ability to manage accounts on the go. Many find the mobile check deposit and bill payment features particularly useful, along with the customizable notifications that keep them informed of account activity. The app's security measures, including biometric login, give users confidence in keeping their finances safe. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional slow performance, limited advanced banking features, and minor glitches in account syncing. While it meets the needs of most customers, those requiring specialized business tools or detailed analytics may find it a bit basic. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Northfield Bank app may be worth using if you want a secure, convenient, and mobile-friendly way to manage your accounts. It excels in accessibility, ease of use, and essential banking functions. However, if you need advanced financial management tools or more specialized features, it might not fully satisfy your requirements. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.